Bartan, Divine Pisces, 222. It is Tuesday, May 26th, 2020. And do the daily message from Spirit for you guys. So yeah, hopefully some of this energy is lifting. I would like to see some positive movement, you know, in these journeys, because hey, it's kind of getting this confusion and whatnot. It's kind of getting old. I don't know about you guys, but I'm kind of over it. You know, I don't want to feel confused anymore. Well, that's interesting. So we've got self-love and self-sabotage here. So that is positive, actually. So I feel like, yeah, a lot of you kind of coming out of this dark period, which is great. I feel like the energy is lifting here, which is awesome. And it's kind of, you're coming out of this self-sabotage mode and ascending into the self-love mode, being like, you know what, nope, no more of this nonsense. You know, I'm not going to worry about, you know, the people trying to control me, trying to keep me from, you know, burning my candle or lighting my light or following my light. You know, I'm going to follow my own light. Yes, I am, you know. And I think that is the main lesson here, is a lot of you have been holding yourself back because of what other people think. It's a fear of success, not necessarily a fear of failure. It's like you're worried about what's going to come with success. So you're worried about, you know, ridicule. You're worried about people not liking you because you're going to succeed, and yada, 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 yada. Okay? Which leads you to what? Sabotage yourself. With this false sense that people will like you if you do that. And that's not true. Not only are people still not going to like you, but you won't succeed. So you're kind of shooting yourself in the foot. Okay? Yeah, boom, that's it right there. Ace of Wands in reverse. That's exactly what it is. You guys have been holding yourselves back. You've been keeping yourself stuck because of what other people think, you know, and you're kind of breaking out of that, and that's good. That's positive movement. That's fantastic. I do feel some of the energies from this Gemini moon, some of it has caused some of the confusion and some of the overthinking and the kind of getting lost in that thought cycle. But I do also feel that it's helped to shatter a lot of illusions around people regarding, you know, what they have been doing, what has been holding them back. And a lot of it is just, again, it's illusion surrounding, you know, the idea that if you succeed, that people won't like you. Okay. And some of you are just so afraid of failure. Like, you're absolutely terrified of failure. It's like you sit there and you think about all the horrible things that could happen, that, you know, if you were to actually do what you wanted to do, you know what I mean? So, and it keeps you from actually moving forward. So a lot of you moving on to release that, okay? To release that false sense of security that comes with holding yourself back. You see what I'm saying? Because a lot of you have been actually hurting yourself because of that. So it's time for a new strategy here. And a lot of you are trying to figure out how to move forward here. A lot of you are, you know, making a decision as far as love goes. And some of it is self-love. It has to do with yourself. And some of you are possibly releasing a romantic connection or some sort of karmic connection, if you're in a karmic connection right now. You know, and that's what you're strategizing doing as well. Okay, so some of you, again, strategizing how to move forward, how to make a decision here. But either way, you know, you're deciding, yes, I'm going to move forward. I'm very triggered to move forward. I'm getting out of this stuck energy. I'm making a decision. I don't want to do this anymore. It's all about self-love, and that's what I'm going to do. And that's how I'm going to act from now on. So that's good. That is a good energy. Good, thank goodness. This heavy confusion and whatnots is getting old, guys. Yeah. Okay, so some of you are definitely dealing with an ego issue right now, and I do feel that's part of the self-sabotage too. So yeah, so don't let pride or ego get in your way, guys. Just tell it to move aside. Tell it to move aside. You know, bring some balance back in here. Do some meditation. Do some contemplation. You're trying to strategize how to move forward. You know, Source can help you with that. But overall, just take some time to breathe. Everything's going to be fine. Remember, when you act in integrity, when you act out of love, right? You can only achieve good things, right? Does that make sense? So when you're acting out of integrity and you're acting out of love, only good things can come. Right? Right. All right, guys. I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.